My name's Yvonne Hutchinson and I'm the Managing Director of TechAid UK. Well, this is actually the launch of TechAid. We've had quite a diverse range of people from the local authority, people from private businesses, other social enterprises. It's just been a great event and I'm just delighted that this day has happened.
Well, a bit like the name says, TechAid, the idea is to take tech equipment such as all of the laptops, the mobile phones and any other electronic devices that you've got that are sat around in corporate places and gathering dust, and also sat around in people's homes, to take all of that and recycle it to organisations that need it.
Well, TechAid UK is a community interest company, which obviously means it's a company that has a social focus. And we've got 3 or 4 key aims. One of them is to make handheld electronic devices affordable for those who wouldn't otherwise be able to afford them. We want to reduce the environmental impact of devices going into landfills and going to recycling. So we're promoting reuse as the most ethical form of recycling. We also want to create jobs and training with the devices that we source, so that local people can get experience in refurbishing them, and we want to raise funds for charity. So when we sell them on at a lower amount than other organisations or companies, the funds that are raised from that, some of the surplus will go to charity.
I think it's a good idea because there's many people, particularly in westernised countries, amass a large amount of electronic gadgetry that they just don't use, and it sits in the back of drawers, and I don't see why, by recycling those pieces of equipment, that money then can't be put to a good use and to go to people that are less fortunate than perhaps many of us are.
I know I've got a video camera in my garage for no apparent reason, which is taking up space. I know that that's probably one thing that I'm going to be digging out and going, actually, I don't need this anymore.
I think people are finding it more and more difficult these days to put their hands in their pockets. So if they've got a product that they're not using and it's sat around in an old bedroom or an old sat around in your lounge, then why not get rid of it, make use of it for somebody else?
Often you hear people say, my laptop's 3 years old, it's too old now, I can't do the latest things on it. However, there are plenty of people who they want to do word processing, they want to do market research, they want to do their homework, and these devices are still perfectly capable.
You think about businesses and the equipment that they get through and often becoming obsolete and just stuck away in a cupboard, and somebody else can make really good use of that. So what a great way for a business to get involved with its community and bring benefits to other people.
When they're about to refurbish, when they're about to upgrade, that type of thing, moving offices, and they find themselves with surplus, things like laptops and mobile phones in particular in companies, then think of us, because what we want to do with that is lots and lots of good. We want to fund local charities because charitable giving is going down quite significantly. So we've just got to be more creative in how we are able to raise funds for charities, and this is, I think, a creative way of doing that.
To me it seems like a no-brainer, really. There's money to be made out of it, you know, and it can go to a good cause.